Hello. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to isolate student-specific topic score data so that you can better focus efforts in this voluntary online learning period and have a better idea on which students to prioritize contacting to extend those additional or multiple learning opportunities. If we start from the grades dashboard, we're going to go to Topic Score Student Detail. And I'm going to use my data again, so I'm going to click over to 1718, but again, it's called Topic Score Student Detail. And here we have all semesters of whatever topics exist in classes I teach and student scores. What we're going to want to do to make this useful is probably isolate it to a specific class. So let's go with 20th Century World History, Semester 2. And now I'm going to send it to Excel so that I can create a more useful list. However, within this interface, if you wanted to isolate specific SRG scores, you absolutely can do that. I'm going to take out students that are already demonstrating proficiency for the sake of this report. And now I am ready to send it to Excel. Again, I'm going to use my download tab. And if crosstab is in that light gray font, remember we want to click somewhere down on the screen. So we'll send it to crosstab and we will open in Excel. All right, and here we are in Excel, and I've got 3 columns. I've got my topic, I've got my student names, and my topic scores. You'll remember that I chose to take out students that had already demonstrated proficiency on these topics, and instead am gathering a list of students that would benefit from another opportunity to demonstrate or show proficiency on the topic. So again, if I click this little line here, it should expand so I can see the whole topic name, student name, and then I've got my topic score. Now, as you can imagine, there's lots of data in this report. What I would do is I would duplicate this. We have mover copy, and I would create a copy. And then I would do it again, create another copy, and I would do this for however many topics I had. So for the sake of speed, I'm going to just do 3. So I'm going to scroll down until I no longer see contemporary themes in history, and I'm going to highlight everything below it and delete it. Entire rows. And now I'm going to rename this tab Contemporary Themes in History. All right. So now I've got it where my student names are probably in alphabetical order, and I want to instead order it by topic score. So I'm going to select the first topic score, important that you select there, and I'm going to drag and highlight all of this information moving from right to left. And now I'm going to go up to sort and filter, and I'm going to sort largest to smallest. So now I've got 2.5s, my 2s, my 1.5s, and my 1s, and then my 0s. And now, based on the topic and my student score, I have a more targeted idea of how I want to extend my multiple opportunities to that student. I do the same procedure on my next topic. I will model it one more time. I'm going to get rid of, all right, I just want document-based questions this time, so I'm going to highlight all this and delete it. Shift rows up, and then I'm going to highlight all of my stuff below document based, so I don't need it. Boom, delete, shift rows up. Now I'm going to select my first topic score again, and I'm going to drag from right to left all the way down. And I'm going to sort largest to smallest. Boom. Again, I think this feature in Tableau and then its counterpart in Excel can be very useful to teachers as they think about and prioritize students that they're going to pursue in this online learning format.